So in this segment of this video, we are going to discuss how can you filter data in Microsoft list. So let me share my screen and I'm on the same page, the list I created, demo marketing. And here you can see we have a filter icon. Click on filter icon. And from here, you can select that what status you want to filter data. Apart from that, you will have the title. You can filter from here. You can have a client name and also the created date. The based on that, you can filter your data. So whatever columns you will have, if you have multiple columns, you will have data related to that. And that is what you can use to filter your data in list. For example, you have a list where you have more than thousands of record and you want to select a particular record with a name or with the created date or with the whatever column you have based on that condition, you will just select the value from the right side and you will get filtered data in left side. And this is how you can filter data in Microsoft list.